Here's how to make the perfect restaurant-style chicken corn soup. Here's everything you need to get started with this recipe. We have about 1 pound of boneless chicken leg here cut into little bite-sized pieces. You can also use chicken breast. I'm going to use these little bouillon cubes. I like the Maggi brand. It's really good, so that's what I'm going to use. We also need 2 large eggs and any cream style corn brand that you have on hand, and we also need some corn flour. And of course some salt. Go ahead and heat up a pot and add in some oil. I'm using olive oil, about a tablespoon here, just so the chicken doesn't stick. And then I'm going to add in my cut up chicken pieces. To that we are also going to add in our chicken stock cube. Give this a good stir and let it cook on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken changes color. Once your chicken is ready and looks something like this, you can start adding in your water. I've turned the heat up just a little so we can bring the water to a boil quickly, and I added about 7 cups of water. This is going to be enough to give us that large bowl of chicken corn soup that we order at restaurants, so this is going to make a good amount of soup. Once the water comes to a boil, turn it down to low to medium heat and cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we are going to add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of corn flour in a bowl and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of water and mix that up. You can go ahead and add in more corn flour if you want your soup to be a little thicker. It really just depends on the consistency that you like, and go ahead and mix this really well because cornstarch is a very interesting ingredient to work with. It does settle really quickly. Then we're also going to scramble the 2 eggs that we had. After I'm done with that, I'm going to start working on the sides because my family loves adding all this stuff to their soup when we're at the restaurant. So I just have some soy sauce in a little bowl. Then I'm going to add a little vinegar and cut up some chilies in there and have some pickled chilies. This adds a really nice kick to the soup because the chilies are actually very spicy. Now coming back to the soup, after 15 to 20 minutes, we are going to add in our corn, give that a good mix, and then we are going to add in our cornstarch. Stir the pot while you're adding in your corn flour mixture and give it a few minutes and you will see that the soup has thickened up. If you're happy with the consistency, just let it cook for a few more minutes. And if you want the consistency to be a little bit thicker, at this point you can go ahead and add in some more cornstarch. I was pretty happy with the consistency here. I don't like my soup too thick. After adding in the corn flour, I let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you can also go ahead and check for salt. Mine needed a little bit more, so I went ahead and added about a teaspoon of salt. Next up, we are going to add in our egg, and I was too busy focused on filming here, and I totally forgot to stir, so make sure you are gently stirring while you're adding that egg. And that's it, guys. It really is as simple as that. This soup is perfect for the cooler weather coming up, and I make it all the time. It is perfect for beginners, and my kids love this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and do try it out and comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you do like simple recipes like this, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.